Hello YouTubers, today we have the Eflite Blade 130X helicopter. This is a collective pitch helicopter. It's very small. 130 means it has 130 millimeters on the main blades. That's the size of the main blades. In this case, we're using the Pulse LiPo battery. It's a 2-cell LiPo, 30C discharge rate, 450 milliamps. So I'm gonna ahead and give it a try. Please don't expect any 3Ds. I don't do 3Ds or stunts on my helicopters. I just fly for fun and scale. Over this micro machine, I've already installed the micro heli upgrades. It has all the upgrades available from the micro heli company, and it also has the main shaft gears upgraded with metal gears. The tail shaft and the tail rotor still with the plastic gears, so it makes no change to the machine to this moment, so it flies pretty well for my type of flying. Some of the people change some of the things like the motor. They upgrade the motor, upgrade the tail rotor servo, the tail servo, and they make different changes, but for my type of flying, this is more than enough. Okay, so we're gonna ahead and give it a try. I also want to point out that if you can fly this type of helicopter, you can fly the big ones too. You can fly 600, 700, or even an 800 size helicopter, just like I do. Okay, but you may start with the small ones. Let's see how it goes. This type of helicopter only gives you like about 4 minutes flight time, no more than that, since it's a very small battery. And if you use a bigger battery, then the motor can heat up and get very hot, and you're gonna stress the motor. This is a collective pitch. You have to do everything by yourself. Very stable. The wind doesn't affect it very much, even though right now we have no wind. Makes no effect on the helicopter. You can see it's very stable. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not easy to fly this type of helicopters, well, but with some practice, you can tame it, and you can have it in your hands. Basically, if you can fly that type of helicopter, you can also fly this type of helicopter, okay? This is an 800 size helicopter made by Align. This is a T-Rex 800 EDFC, Pro DFC. So if you can fly that one, you'll be able to fly this one. It operates the same way. Basically the same way. It changes the size. But don't get impressed by the size. The bigger, the more stable, the more easy to fly. Okay? Hope you enjoy it.